somebody hold the umbrella.
What time is it?
It is now 1:18.
Hey.
The time on
Alright, Henry, what we got? What's going on, man?
Sir.
Hey, miniature. Out of the way.
Out of the way, miniature.
Henry, you got to hold the umbrella for Bernard.
And stand in the rain.
No, you got an umbrella.
Alright, Henry, what? Give me.
It's a golf umbrella. It's big.
Here we have Marcus Kim's protege, Bernard, the Hammer Wilson. The Hammer.
Push up on that ride.
Nice.
You know how to do it.
Launch it. Yeah. That's the way AC brings it.
Mary Poppins.
Get that generator up. I want to hear the blades. Leave it right there, yeah. I can't see it. How?
Give you some of that, yacht.
Diamond loop. Get all of it. Yeah. Good job, man. That was nice.